Hello everyone, today I'd like to do unpacking and a little review of this wireless keyboard that connects to laptop, tablet, or your PC via Bluetooth. So we're gonna check this out. So when you unpack the box, you get one keyboard, charging cable. As you can see, it's using Bluetooth C. So and the cable is pretty long, so even if you lose it, you can use your phone's charging cable, which is good. User manual that explains how you can connect to your laptop. I'm gonna try to connect it to my laptop and see how quickly it connects, and I'll let you know in a moment. So I turned on my laptop and I connected via Bluetooth. It was smoothless connection. What I was impressed about that this keyboard can be used on 3 devices at the same time. So as you can see, there are 3 Bluetooth connections, and you can switch between those connections at the same time. I really like that each key is really big, because I've been using another keyboard for a long time on this laptop, and if you look side by side, this keyboard is really small, and sometimes I'm having a hard time when I'm typing, but with this, the space and the size of each key is really good. I also like that you have separate key for calculator. Here you go, as you can see, it's popping up here, and I connected fairly quickly. You just have to hold and press Bluetooth channel either first, second, or third for 3 seconds, and after 3 seconds it goes into pairing mode and it connects to your laptop or your tablet or any other device you wish to connect it with. So I'm really happy with this product. This is the model number RK9013, and I really recommend it, and I'm looking forward to using it. Thank you for watching.